Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that every coffee enthusiast should consider if you own a specific Cuisinart model. We found this product online, and we've added the link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability. Let's talk about the Cuisinart DGB-450GRD Replacement Grinder with stainless steel blade. This is a crucial component for anyone who owns the Cuisinart DGB-450 or the DGB-450 coffee makers. If you're familiar with these models, you know how essential a good grinder is for that perfect cup of coffee. First and foremost, this replacement grinder is designed exclusively for the Cuisinart DGB-450 series. It's important to highlight that this grinder won't fit any other models, even if they look similar. So, if you don't own a DGB-450 or DGB-450 this product isn't for you. One of the standout features of this grinder is its durable stainless steel blade. This high-quality blade ensures efficient and consistent grinding of your coffee beans, which is critical for extracting the best flavors and aromas. Whether you prefer a fine grind for espresso or a coarser grind for a French press, this grinder can handle it all, making your coffee experience customizable and enjoyable. Another significant aspect of the Cuisinart DGB-450GRD is its OEM quality assurance. As an original equipment manufacturer part, you can trust that this grinder will fit perfectly and maintain the same high performance as the original component. This means you can replace your old, worn-out grinder without worrying about compatibility or quality issues. Installation is a breeze, too. You won't need any special tools or extensive instructions. Simply replace your old grinder with this new one, and you'll be back to brewing fresh coffee in no time. This ease of installation is particularly beneficial for those who love their coffee but may not be very handy with appliances. Who is this grinder suitable for? If you are a coffee lover who owns a Cuisinart DGB-450 or DGB-450 model, this replacement grinder is essential for keeping your coffee maker in peak condition. It's perfect for daily coffee drinkers who rely on freshly ground beans to kickstart their mornings or fuel their afternoons. In practical use cases, think about how much more enjoyable your coffee ritual can be with this grinder. Imagine waking up each morning, grinding your favorite beans, and brewing a rich, aromatic cup of coffee to start your day. Or perhaps you're hosting friends for brunch and want to impress them with freshly ground coffee. The possibilities are endless when you have the right tools at your disposal. So, if you're in the market for a reliable replacement grinder for your Cuisinart DGB-450, the